back to Economic Decode once again. And what is the topic for today? Can anyone guess? Yes. If you guess, please comment down below. Any which ways we are going to continue the topic. So आज हम किस रिलेटेड बात करेंगे? हम हमेशा जो है अपने चैनल में theories, concepts, methodology है, right? We do study that. बट इकोनॉमी सिर्फ आपको बुक्स में जो ही लिखा है वो स्टडी करना नहीं होता है. इकोनॉमिक्स जो है दैट इज अगेन रिलेट टू द करंट अफेयर्स की करंट एग्जैक्टली अपने कंट्री की इकोनॉमिकल कंडीशन जानना जरूरी है. इफ यू वांट टू नो more about economy, it's not just to study the books which are there, the theories which are established from the economists, but if you really economic lover, then you should know that what are the things and what is currently happening in our country, what are the major steps that our country is taking in the development of the economic growth, for development of civilization, the farmers, the etc, everything, development in the education, healthcare, all the aspects, right? So I thought to just share the topic with you that on 24th of September, the United Nations that is conducted their Assembly, General Assembly. You can see here UNGA, which is known as, तो उसका full form क्या है? United Nations General Assembly. They conducted on 24th of September in New York, and in from our India, okay, the External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar Sir, they had given speech, and the speech is very famous and very popular because the way they had explained the growth and what exactly the India is helping the countries and all the words that they use, the way they had represented, it is very appreciated and everyone is loving to that speech, right? So I just shared the glimpse of information that's Dr. S. Jaishankar Sir, the represented in this UN Assembly. So what is it? It was actually 77th UN Assembly where all countries are representing their nation with their growth, their future plans, their all the things that they are going through. Okay, so all speech you can, if you already seen that video, right, then you will also realize that they had not taken name of any country, they had not highlighted any name of country, but without that also they had used the words in such a way that which जो है हमें इनडायरेक्टली पता चल ही जाता है कि ऑन विच बेसिस दे आर टॉकिंग अबाउट. सो इट वाज अ वेरी एक्सलेंट स्पीच दैट दे हैड एक्सप्लेन. सो व्हाट दे हैड एक्सप्लेन द 5 major things that India is going to take step for their development and their future plans क्या है, right? So again ये जो theme थी, that is again the assembly which is based on theme that is a watershed moment, राइट, दैट इज अ ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन. इस थीम के ऊपर ये असेंबली जो है न्यूयॉर्क में थी 24th of September को. देन द फर्स्ट पॉइंट सर रिप्रेजेंटेड एंड सेड दैट इंडिया इज डेवलप्ड कंट्री इन गोइंग टू बी डेवलप्ड कंट्री इन नेक्स्ट 25 years. सो उन्होंने बताया था कि इंडिया जो है, जैसे हमारा अभी स्टेज है डेवलपिंग, राइट, तो हम डेवलप कंट्री अगले 25 years में बन जाएंगे बिकॉज हमारे यहाँ पे जितना भी प्रोडक्शन हो रहा है, जितना भी मैन्युफैक्चरिंग हो रहा है, ऑल दिस थिंग्स अगेन वी आर डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिंग टू द फॉरेन मार्केट एंड वी आर ऑल्सो वेलकम ऑल द फॉरेन मार्केट टू ऑल्सो सेल देयर प्रोडक्ट इन आवर local market. So that is again they had said that India is again going to be developed country in next 25 years. And second point they had mentioned that 1.3 billion plus people from the world largest democracy. You can see we are into the world largest democracy. आप देख सकते हो friends, इतनी सारी जो है population है, but still we are so fortunate that we are living in peace, happiness and into the democracy, right? So again India made 5 pledges on this 75th their independent day. So they had explained the same thing, right? Again the next what they had explained, so that is again the glimpse of the highlighted topic. Step by step we are going to discuss about that. So we resolved to make the India developed countries in next 25 years. As I said, 25 years we are going to become a developed country. We again liberate ourselves from the colonial mindset. That is again they had explained our rich civilization heritage will be a source of pride and strength. That is again the rich civilization sector, that we are also, for example, we are best in the exporting spices, coffee, tea, etc. These are the best selling products in export. Even saffron also you can see, which is again part of spices. So that is again the same thing, that India also has a very old civilization system, and again we are going to focus on that. What is the next point they had said? That to promote greater unity and solidarity into this coming together global issues, the terrorism, again the pandemics or the environment, etc. अब ये उन्होंने वर्ड यूज किया था सोलिडारिटी. सोलिडारिटी दैट मीन्स एकता, राइट कि हम ये भी कोशिश करेंगे कि हम एकता और पीसनेस के साथ सारे काम करेंगे, और हम जो है इस इश्यूज को जो है ग्लोबली हाईलाइट करेंगे. जितने भी प्रॉब्लम्स आए थे पैंडमिक में, या फिर टेररिज्म रिलेटेड है, एनवायरमेंट रिलेटेड इशू है, नेचुरल कैलामिटीज आई है, एंड हाउ वी कॉन्कर एंड हाउ वी हेल्प दी people those who are having the problems into the flood, drought, etc., right? So again in unity and unity, which is again the main thing, and with peacefulness, that is again very important. What is the last fifth one? Again instilling the again कॉन्शियसनेस ऑफ द ड्यूटीज एंड रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. अगेन इंस्टिलिंग का मतलब क्या है? इंस्टिलिंग दैट मीन्स स्थापना करना. हम इस तरह से एस्टेब्लिश करेंगे दैट सबको जो है अपनी ड्यूटीज और रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी पता है, और वो हर एक जो है पर्सन अपनी ड्यूटीज और रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी में बहुत अच्छी तरीके से जो है काम करेगा, एंड दे आर वेरी लॉयल to their duties and responsibilities. So you can see friends, the 5 points sir had explained very well into the UN assembly. And the next information about this, अभी ये तो हो गया फर्स्ट पार्ट, अभी इसका सेकंड पार्ट आने वाला है नेक्स्ट वीडियो में गाइज. सो आपको कैसी लगी इन्फॉर्मेशन? मैंने थोड़ी सी इन्फॉर्मेशन सोचा कि आपके साथ शेयर करना ज़रूरी है, बिकॉज इकोनॉमिक इज नॉट जस्ट स्टडी ऑफ थ्योरीज, बट करेंटली अपने कंट्रीज में क्या क्या चल रहा है, व्हाट आर द ग्रोथ डेवलपमेंट वी हैड डिसाइडेड इन द फ्यूचर प्लान्स ऑल्सो. So I thought to share with you guys, and if you like it, please share the channel with your friend, subscribe to channel, and also please do watch next video. In next video I am going to share कि नेक्स्ट जो है, ये तो 5 पॉइंट सर ने एक्सप्लेन किए थे यूएन असेंबली में. नेक्स्ट डॉक्टर एस जयशंकर सर व्हाट दे हैड एक्सप्लेन फर्दर ऑल्सो. ओके, सो कीप वॉचिंग इकोनॉमिक डी कोड.